read music. How to read music note easier and effectively. One thing is learning patterns and intervals. There are two music on this video with sheet music. We are hoping the music helps you to learn patterns and intervals, and you enjoy music more and more. Thank you. Let's listen the music first, and we see the sheet music and the patterns. This is the first sheet music. Let's see the right hand. E, C, 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 F, C, C, C. So you see high C between two notes. Noticing the patterns really helps you when you play any music. Let's see left hand. C, G, C, A, C, G, C, F. So you have C on all bottom line. Next, we listen the second music. We are learning intervals from the music. This is the second music. Both hands have the same music note. Let's see the intervals. First two notes have 3. Second, 5, 4, 3, 5, 4, 3, 5, 4, 3, 5, 4, 3, 5, 4, 3, 5, 4, 3, 5, 4. Let's see second line. 3, 3, 2, 6, 6, 2, 3, 3, 2, 6, 6, 2, 3, 3, 2, 6, 6, 2, 2, 2, 2. So this music has patterns of intervals. First two lines are C major. Third and fourth lines are G major, but these have the same intervals. Find the music that has the same interval patterns and play the music. That really helps you to play any music eventually.